guys! Sa araw na ito ay nais ko po sa inyong i-share ang top 100 best tourist spots in Singapore. Kung may nais po kayo ipalabas po sa tahanang ito, ay pwede po kayo mag-comment down below. At kung may nais naman po ng shoutout, ay pwede rin po mag-comment down below. At i-shoutout po natin po sa mga susunod po mga palabas. So heto, nagsisimulan na po natin ang mga tourist spots sa Singapore. So, hope you enjoy guys!
A few moments later.
Ika-100 is Palawan Beach. It is located in Sentosa, Singapore. It is famous as swimmer's paradise with gentle waves and soft sand. Number 99 is Pulau Ubin. It is located in Northeast Singapore. It is home to Singapore's popular mountain bike trails. Number 98 is Bukit Timah Nature Reserve. It is located in Central Region, Singapore. Established in year 1883, it is the only hill-deep pterocarp forest in Singapore. Number 97 is Mega Adventure Park. It is located in Sentosa, Singapore. It is an amusement park offering ziplines activities. Number 96 is Craftune. It is located in Singapore City, Singapore. You can create your own leather product in this famous leather craft workshop. Number 95 is Changi Beach Park. It is located in Changi, Singapore. It is a famous historical beach park and one of the oldest coastal park in Singapore. Number 94 is Sungei Buloh Wetland Reserve. It is located in northwest Singapore. It is Singapore's first ASEAN Heritage Park. Number 93 is Hay Dairies Farm. It is located in Lim Chu Kang, Singapore. It was built in year 1988. It is the only goat farm in Singapore which provides goat milk. Number 92 is Live Turtle and Tortoise Museum. It is located in Orto, Singapore. It was built in year 2001. It is the world's largest collection of turtles and tortoises. Number 91 is Tanjong Beach. It is located in Sentosa, Singapore. It is known for being clean, peaceful, and relaxing. Number 90 is Singapore Zoo. It is located in Mandai, Singapore. It was built in year 1973. Also called Mandai Zoo, it is considered as the world's best and largest rainforest zoo. Number 89 is East Coast Park. It is located in East Coast, Singapore. Established in year 1970, it is a beach, a park, and popular destinations for cyclists. Number 88 is Sisters Islands Marine Park. It is located in Southern Island, Singapore. Established in year 2014, it is the first marine park in Singapore. Number 87 is Singapore Shopping Center. It is located in Clemenceau Avenue, Singapore. It was built in year 1974. It is one of the most famous shopping malls in Singapore. Number 86 is Sunray Cafe. It is located in Serangoon, Singapore. It was built in year 2010. It is a pet-friendly cafe offering restaurant-style food and specialty coffee roasted in-house. Number 85 is Jurong Bird Park. It is located in Jurong Hill, Singapore. It was built in year 1971. It is the largest bird park in the world. Number 84 is Marina Barrage. It is located in Marina Gardens, Singapore. It was built in year 2008. It is a dam in Singapore built at the confluence of 5 rivers. Number 83 is Tiger Balm Factory. It is located in Chia Ping Road, Singapore. It was built in year 1924. It is a world famous for producing ointment to alleviate pain. Number 82 is Bukit Batok Nature Park. It is located in Bukit Batok, Singapore. Established in year 1988, it is an urban park perfect for jogging, walking, or biking. Number 81 is Super Tree Grove. It is located in Gardens by the Bay, Singapore. It was built in year 2012. It is a vertical garden that collects rainwater for irrigation and fountain displays. Number 80 is Macritchie Reservoir Park. It is located in Lornie Road, Singapore. Established in year 1868, it is Singapore's largest and oldest water supply system. Number 79 is Dolphin Island. It is located in Sentosa, Singapore. It offers a range of programs that will give you the opportunity to meet dolphins close up. Number 78 is Sim Lim Square. It is located in Rochor Canals Road, Singapore. It was built in year 1987. It is the largest IT mall in Singapore. Number 77 is K Bowling Club. It is located in Orchard Road, Singapore. It is the first full-time cosmic bowling alley in Singapore. Number 76 is Singapore Philatelic Museum. It is located in Coleman Street, Singapore. It was built in year 1995. It is a museum about the postal history of Singapore and its stamps. Number 75 is the Original Doctors. It is located in Suntec, Singapore. You can enjoy an amphibious tour in the first Doctors of Singapore. Number 74, Sentosa Butterfly Park. It is located in Sentosa, Singapore. It was built in year 1987. It is the second tropical butterfly exhibition in the world. Number 73 is Boat Quay. It is located in Singapore River, Singapore. It was built in year 1860. It is a historical quay in Singapore that served as aquatic trade. Number 72 is Raffles Landing Site. It is located in downtown core Singapore. It is the location where tradition holds that Raffles landed in 1819. Number 71 is Holy Moly. It is located in Clark Way, Singapore. It is a restaurant famous for the mini golf course in Singapore. Number 70 is Clark Way. It is located in River Valley Road, Singapore. It was built in year 1968. It is a historical riverside quay and shopping mall in Singapore. Number 69 is Skyline Luge. It is located in Sentosa, Singapore. Established in year 2005. It is the first ever luge in Southeast Asia. Number 68 is Mount Faber Park. It is located in Bukit Merah, Singapore. Established in year 1965. It is Singapore's second highest hill and one of the oldest parks. Number 67 is Tong Ah Eating House. It is located in Chinatown, Singapore. It was built in year 1939. It is a traditional coffee shop famous in serving butter coffee. Number 66 is Changi Chapel and Museum. It is located in Changi, Singapore. It was built in year 1944. It is dedicated to the history of Singapore. Number 65 is Joo Chiat. It is located in Marine Parade Road, Singapore. It was built in year 1917. It is Singapore's first heritage town. It is famous for its colorful Peranakan shop houses. Number 64 is Siloso Beach. It is located in Sentosa, Singapore. It is considered as the hippest beach in Singapore. Number 63 is Wave House Sentosa. It is located in Sentosa, Singapore. It is world famous for its 10-feet flow barrel wave for flowboarding and surfing. Number 62 is Chinese Garden. It is located in Jurong East, Singapore. It was built in year 1975. It is a perfect blend of Chinese architecture with the natural environment. Number 61 is Wild Wild Wet. It is located in downtown East, Singapore. It was built in year 2004. It is one of Singapore's largest and most popular water parks. Number 60 is Telok Ayer Market. It is located in Raffles Quay, Singapore. It was built in year 1824. Also known as Lau Pasat, it is a former fish market converted to food market. Number 59, iFly Singapore. It is located in Sentosa, Singapore. It was built in year 2011. It is the world's largest indoor skydiving. Number 58 is Marina Square. It is located in Raffles Boulevard, Singapore. It was built in year 1985. It is the first major mixed-use complex in the Marina Center and one of the largest mall. Number 57 is Waterfront Promenade, Singapore. It is located in downtown core Singapore. It was built in year 2010. It is a long walking stretch along the Marina Bay. Number 56 is Kuan Im Tong Temple. It is located in Joo Chiat, Singapore. It was built in year 1921. It is a traditional Chinese temple dedicated to Kuan Yin, the goddess of mercy. Number 55 is Haji Lane. It is located in Kampong Glam, Singapore. It was built in year 1800s. It is Singapore's narrowest street and famous for its murals, clothing shops, and cafes. Number 54 is River Safari. It is located in Mandai Lake Road, Singapore. It was built in year 2014. It is the first, the largest, and only river theme zoo in Asia. Number 53 is Cloud Forest Dome. It is located in Gardens by the Bay, Singapore. It was built in year 2012. It is famous for its rice walkways in the rivers and waterfalls. Number 52 is National Orchid Garden. It is located in Tanglin, Singapore. It was built in year 1995. It is the largest display of tropical orchids in the world. Number 51, Adventure Cove Water Park. It is located in Sentosa, Singapore. It was built in year 2011. It is famous for its first hydromagnetic coaster in Southeast Asia. Number 50 is Lazarus Island. It is located in Southern Island, Singapore. It is famous for its mushroom-shaped bay and longest stretch of white sand beach. Number 49 is Fort Canning Park. It is located in central Singapore. It was built in year 1822. It is a historical hilltop landmark formerly called Government Hill and Singapore Hill. Number 48 is Wings of Time. It is located in Sentosa, Singapore. It is famous for its unique multimedia show using the sea for water screening 3D projections. Number 47 is Ruma Kim Chu. It is located in Juchiat, Singapore. It was built in year 1945. It is a combined boutique shop and museum gallery of Peranakan culture. Number 46 is Snow City, Singapore. It is located in Science Center, Singapore. It was built in year 2000. It is Singapore's first permanent indoor snow center. Number 45, Arab Street, Singapore. It is located in Kampong Glam, Singapore. It was built in year 1843. It is the center of Singapore's Malay community. Number 44 is Changi Experience Studio. It is located in Changi Airport, Singapore. It was built in year 2019. It is the state-of-the-art technology museum that is first in Singapore and Asia. Number 43, Singapore Air Zone. It is located in City Square Mall, Singapore. It was built in year 2009. It is the world's first indoor suspended net playground. Number 42, City Square Mall. It is located in Kitchener Road, Singapore. It was built in year 2009. It is the first eco mall in Singapore. Number 41, Singapore Botanic Gardens. It is located in Tanglin, Singapore. It was built in year 1859. It is famous for its world's largest orchid collection. Number 40 is Chinatown. It is located in Outram, Singapore. It was built in year 1843. It is famous for its colorful heritage buildings and old Chinese shophouses. Number 39 is One Altitude Cafe and Gallery. It is located in One Raffles Place, Singapore. It is the world's highest alfresco cafe and it offers the 360-degree view of the city. Number 38 is Science Center, Singapore. It is located in Jurong East, Singapore. It was built in year 1977. It is a scientific institution famous for its largest observatory in Southeast Asia. Number 37 is Bugis Street Market. It is located in Bugis, Singapore. It was built in year 1995. It is the largest shopping location in Singapore. Number 36 is Royal Albatros. It is located in Sentosa, Singapore. It was built in year 2016. You can experience a dinner cruise in the only luxury ship in Singapore. Number 35 is Little India. It is located in Little India, Singapore. It was built in year 1989. It is the center for the large Indian community in Singapore. Number 34 is Orchard Road. It is located in Central Area, Singapore. It was built in year 1891. It is home to Singapore's largest malls. Number 33 is Kusu Island. It is located in Southern Island, Singapore. Established in year 1819, also called Turtle Island. It is also known as the Maldives of Singapore. Number 32 is Changi City Point Mall. It is located in Changi, Singapore. It was built in year 2011. It is a shopping mall famous for its factory outlet brands of Adidas, Nike, Lacoste, and Pedro. Number 31 is Raffles Hotel and Museum. It is located in Beach Road, Singapore. It was built in year 1887. It displays memorabilia and photographs of its famous visitors. Number 30 is Singapore Cable Car. It is located in Mount Faber, Singapore. It was built in year 1974. It is the second aerial ropeway system in the world to span a harbor. Number 29 is Madame Tussauds, Singapore. It is located in Sentosa, Singapore. It was built in year 2014. It is the first Madame Tussauds wax museum with an actor-led show and boat ride. Number 28 is Satay by the Bay. It is located in Marina Bay, Singapore. It was built in year 2013. It is a famous non-air-conditioned food court situated in the Marine Reservoir. Number 27 is Jin Ri Kisha Station. It is located in Neil Road, Singapore. It was built in year 1903. It is the former rickshaw headquarters, the main method of transport in Singapore. Number 26 is Sri Senpaga Vinayagar Temple. It is located in Little India, Singapore. It was built in year 1850. It is the second oldest existing Hindu temple in Singapore. It is dedicated to Ganesha. Number 25 is Esplanade Theatres on the Bay. It is located in Esplanade, Singapore. It was built in year 2002. It is Singapore's National Performing Arts Center and one of the world's busiest art centers. Number 24 is Trick Eye Museum. It is located in Sentosa, Singapore. It was built in year 2014. It is a museum that brings art and paintings to life. Number 23 is Marina Bay Sands Sky Park. It is located in Marina Bay Sands Hotel, Singapore. It was built in year 2010. It offers the panoramic views of the city. Number 22 is Sri Mariamman Temple. It is located in Chinatown, Singapore. It was built in year 1973. It is the oldest Hindu temple in Singapore. Number 21, Asian Civilizations Museum. It is located in Singapore River, Singapore. It was built in year 1997. It is the only museum devoted to explore the artistic heritage of Asia and Singapore. Number 20, Helix Bridge. It is located in downtown core Singapore. It was built in year 2007. It is Singapore's longest pedestrian bridge. Number 19 is Sultan Mosque. It is located in Kampong Glam, Singapore. It was built in year 1824. It is the biggest mosque in Singapore. Number 18 is Buddha Tooth Relic Temple and Museum. It is located in South Bridge Road, Singapore. It was built in year 2007. It is famous for housing of tooth relic believed to belong to original Gautama Buddha. Number 17 is National Gallery Singapore. It is located in St. Andrews Road, Singapore. It was built in year 2015. It exhibits the world's largest public collection of Singapore and Southeast Asian modern art. Number 16 is Fountain of Wealth. It is located in Suntec, Singapore. It was built in year 1995. It is the world's largest fountain in 1998 Guinness Book of World Records. Number 15, How Par Villa. It is located in Pasir Panjang Road, Singapore. It was built in year 1937. It is Singapore's first theme park. Number 14 is National Museum of Singapore. It is located in Stamford, Singapore. It was built in year 1849. It is the largest and oldest museum in Singapore. Number 13 is Singapore River Cruise. It is located in Singapore, established in year 1987. You can enjoy some of Singapore's popular riverside attractions, especially Merlion Statue. Number 12 is Changi Airport. It is located in Changi, Singapore. It was built in year 1981. Also called City Ene Garden, it is considered as the world's best airport. Number 11 is Art Science Museum. It is located in downtown core, Singapore. It was built in year 2011. It is Singapore's iconic cultural landmark. It combines art, science, culture, and technology. Number 10, Civic District. It is located in Central Area, Singapore. Established in year 1822. It is the birthplace of modern Singapore. Number 9 is Vivo City. It is located in Bukit Merah, Singapore. It was built in year 2003. It is the largest shopping mall in Singapore. Number 8 is Singapore Flyer. It is located in downtown core, Singapore. It was built in year 2005. It is the largest observation wheel in Asia. Number 7 is Sea Aquarium. It is located in Resorts World Sentosa, Singapore. It was built in year 2011. It is the world's second largest oceanarium. Number 6 is Resorts World Sentosa. It is located in Sentosa, Singapore. It was built in year 2010. It is an integrated resort of the southern coast of Singapore. Number 5 is Gardens by the Bay. It is located in downtown core, Singapore. It was built in year 2012. It is famous for its world's largest glass greenhouse. Number 4 is Marina Bay Sands Hotel. It is located in downtown core, Singapore. It was built in year 2010. It is Singapore's most iconic hotel and famous for the world's largest rooftop infinity pool. Number 3 is Marina Bay. It is located in downtown core, Singapore. It was built in year 2010. It is famous for its skyscrapers, posh hotels, and luxury malls. Number 2 is Universal Studios Singapore. It is located in Sentosa, Singapore. It was built in year 2008. It is Southeast Asia's first and only Universal Studios theme park. At ang nangunguna po sa ating listahan ay sa survey ay ang Merlion Park. It is located in Singapore City, Singapore. It was built in year 1972. It is known for the mythic symbol of Singapore, a lion's head with the body of a fish statue.
A few moments later.
Salamat po ng napakarami po sa inyo pong panonood. Kung inyo po ito pong nagustuhan, ay maaari po natin po itong share sa ating mga friends. Hanggang sa muli po, goodbye po!
You